Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I'm sharing with you how to make no smell cassava fufu. I'll be using cassava, which is also known as yuca. I'll start by peeling the cassava. I'll cut off the bottom part of it. Put a line, follow the line and remove the peels. I'll cut the cassava. Remove the middle stem of the cassava. And I'll be cutting it into small pieces so it will be easy for my blender to grind. I'll transfer the cassava inside a bowl. Add water. And rinse the cassava. Once that is done, transfer the cassava back to the bowl. Add enough water to cover the cassava. I will leave the cassava to soak for 1 to 2 days. After 1 day of soaking the cassava should look like this. And at this point, the cassava does not contain any smell. The fermentation has not taken place yet. If you're making the one that have smell, you will leave it to soak for more days so it can ferment and the cassava will get soft. I'm going to give the cassava a quick rinse and transfer it inside a blender. Add water. I'll cover the blender and blend the cassava into a smooth paste. Once that is done, I'll transfer it inside a bowl. The blended cassava is ready. Next, I will be using a muslin bag. I'll transfer the blended cassava into the muslin bag. Tie the bag. And I'll transfer the bag into a strainer to help all the liquid out. I'll place something that is heavy on top of it, leave it to stay for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, I'll remove the bag and this is the liquid that came out. Here is some starch which you can use to make delta starch. I'll remove the cassava dough from the bag. The no smell cassava fufu is ready. See how beautiful this looks. I'll store the cassava dough in a Ziploc bag. And this can stay in the fridge or in the freezer, and it will last for months. To make the cassava fufu, in a pot I'll add some of the cassava dough, add water. Stir until it's nicely dissolved. And I'll be cooking it on a medium heat. Keep stirring it until you get a nice dough. After some time, some lumps will appear. Keep stirring it until it's nice and smooth. Once it's smooth, remove the spatula. Add water. Cover and leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir until it's nice and smooth. If you like it very soft, you can add more water to it. When the cassava fufu is ready, remove the spatula and turn off the stove. I'll wrap the cassava fufu with a plastic food wrap. This is optional. You can serve it without wrapping it as well. Cassava fufu can be enjoyed with any soup. It's very easy to digest, it's smooth and delicious. The no smell cassava fufu is ready. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.